Hello children, once again I am here for you. Now you know very well that how to draw and how to color and how to manage the finishing also. The fruit basket. You know the shape and the size and the colors of the fruits. You have seen the different types of fruits and you know the comparative size of all the fruits. So, we will draw the fruit basket. Okay, so how to draw? Previously you have drawn, I know. But once again you have to draw that thing. You can draw the vegetable basket also. Instead of this fruit basket, you can draw the vegetable basket also. So first of all, we will draw the fruit basket. This is my paper. So you can see in the center line you have to draw the dotted line. So it will be easy for you to manage the shape. So both the distance should be equal. From here to here and from here to here. You can make the dotted line here also. So this distance and this distance also it is the same. This and this. The same way from here also the same. Here also the same distance. You can see that this one as well as this one, both the distance will be the same. So it will be symmetrical. Now you have to erase this line after completing this one. But here I have to go once again. I will go here. You can see. Now I will erase this one because it will be this one. Now I will draw the fruits inside this basket. How to draw, we will see. Now I will make this line here. And I will release this extra judgmental lines. Now any type of fruits you can draw. Suppose I am drawing here the lemon. Okay, so inner side you cannot see. So I will erase this one and I will put this. Another banana also you can draw, otherwise you can put single banana, no problem. Now some grapes, you can draw here some grapes. You have to manage the sizes of the fruits. Some are inside and some are outside the basket. You can see. You can do here. More. So I will erase these lines. Of this basket. Now I will throw the orange here on orange. You can see. But orange is behind these grapes as well as this banana. So it will not see the lines which are passing through these grapes as well as the banana. So only this much line I can see of the orange. Now, one more thing that you can put the papaya. You can put the papaya also. You can do this way. So I will use all these lines which cannot be seen. It is behind this one, so I can see. One more thing, draw here another banana you can do. So it is this lower portion is inside the basket. So I will erase it. Now I will put here the chickpea. See the sizes of the fruits. This is the smallest one, this is bigger than this grapes. So in the comparison of these grapes, how much bigger chickpea should be there, that way you have to do. And in the comparison with all these things, how much bigger the orange should be there, that much bigger only you have to draw. So it is behind this papaya, so I will erase this line. Now pomegranate, I will go here, so pomegranate. So I will put here that way. See. See the pomegranate. Okay. So it is behind this all fruits and in front of this papaya. So the part of the papaya I will erase from this flower of this pomegranate, and I will erase this pomegranate part because it is behind this fruits. Understood? So this way you have to grow the fruits as well. I will erase this back side line of the basket. I have to do this. Understood? So this way you have to grow the fruit basket. Now for the background also. The fruit basket you can put on the floor as well as you can put in the on the table. You can put on the round table, or you can put this way the table. Then the back side. In the background also you can do something. That means you can put here the window or little bit. In this song that is the small painting you can do. It is seen here, or you can put the window over here, the glass window with the frame. You can go this way, the window, or you can make the curtain here. So background also should be there. You can draw this one or this one. Not both the sides you have to draw. One side you can draw and you can make the thing color. I have drawn this one. I am going the table this way. The round table. I will make here the border, the side this way. And you can make this way, forward this way. So after completing your fruit basket, you don't have to use the sketch pen line. Directly use the color pencil for coloring. You will color these fruits with the shading. First, the lighter tone with the color pencil you will color. Then the middle tone, that is the darker than the lighter, then the more darker, then more darker, and at last the darkest color you have to fill. Understood everyone? So this is the fruit basket you have to draw in your sketchbook and you have to complete it within time. So stay at home, be safe. Thank you. Bye.